Oh, who is it? Nook's got some new friends to meet today. Ollie, Waffle and Daphne. Who is it? Who is it? Wait a minute, they've got to get here. No, you have to wait here. Hang on. Hold on. Hang on. Come back here a minute. Oh. No. Come back here. Hello. Hello. Yes. I can't get it. Ollie. No. Hello. Oh. Is it safe? Yeah. You'll get chucked out, Ollie.
Ollie, shut your face. No, eat him.
You just might.
Go on, eat it, for God's sake. Do something to it. Make it learn. There you go, Daphne.
Oh.
It is just going to harass it.
Yeah.
Ollie!
Which is going to harass who?
Ollie! Ollie! This is what he does.
It's
Embarrassing.
Ollie Waffle. Hello, Ollie Waffle. Oh God. Hello. Yes, all right.
Ollie!
Maisie disowning him.
I was going to say, went, shut up. Daphne's like, Ollie!
Does he do that all the time? Oh
yeah, he's
God.
not great with the dog. Well, he likes them, but he just does this. Look, he shit himself.
Hello. Yes, hello.
Ollie!
Hello. Treaties. Not yet.
In the car.
Not who's saying them? Oh, the cat. Oh God. Yeah.
Hello, Nook. Yeah, go on. Off you go. It was moving all round.
Oh.
No, that bit was fine.
Yeah, well, if you put your camera on, you can come
The deflated
back onto this.
Oh, I know, yeah. But it said the quickest way is it's naughty, really.
Daphne.
It said
Hello.
on the A30 not to come off.
Is Daphne pregnant?
No.
Oh.
All she does is eat. She's been done. She's not pregnant. Ollie, have a waffle around.
Ooh.
Hey? No, what have you done? Oh. I said he's got these. Oh, here we go. This is called wanker time. Oh, sorry.
Nook's keeping well out of it. Hello, Daphne. Oh, God. Yes, hello, Ollie. Hello. Come play with Nook. Come play with Nook. Come. Come play with Nook.
Start taking selfies.
Pardon?
I'm going to start taking selfies.
Selfies? Me? No. Don't want me on it.
I'm not looking for this, but I know what you're talking about.
Treaties. Ollie Waffle, treaties. Now sit for treaties. Sit. No, sit. No. Sit. 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 Good boy. Get in there. Here. Ollie, you daft dog. There. Right. No. Oh. You haven't. Hey? He did, and then he missed it. Sit. Ollie, sit. Daphne's sitting. My finger gone. Daphne. Good girl. Nook. No, Nooks. Good boy. Good boys and girls. Oh, look at that. Ollie again. Oh, help. All gone. Do you know all gone? Obviously not. All gone. Come on. That's his table. His table.
Oreos. To get up on the high point, the vantage point.
Oh, he's hiding from those two.
I don't blame you, Nook.
Oh. Ooh. Who's that?
Good job.
Who's that? Manny.
Oh no. What, Barbara the barber?
No, he's probably house.
Oh, Frank.
Oh yeah.
You should see what Manny's got
On with Christmas pudding.
Eat Ollie. Manny's got this little suit with
Oh,
a
has he?
waist jacket. It was $6.99 on eBay.
Penny flip.
Look.